A warm welcome to one and all. My name is Henil Kapadia and I'm the Chief Coordinator of the Placements and Corporate Interface team here at SIDTM. Before I walk you through our remarkable placement stats for the batch of 2022-2024, I would like to quote Mr. Napoleon Hill as he said, "Patience, persistence and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success." The recent trends and technologies in the industry demand a holistic approach from the MBA students. And to bridge that gap, SIDTM collaborated with AWS, UiPath for robotic process automation, and with IDS for blockchain, which has helped students bridge the gap and develop students from various backgrounds into future techno managers. To get and apply such learning experience, SIDTM conducts a series of guest lecture and events wherein speakers from various industries and companies like BNY Mellon, Tata Motors, Genpact and BCG, to name a few, provide the in-depth knowledge which eventually helps students make sure that they put the right foot forward into the corporate world. SIDTM collaborates with its alumni to conduct pre-placement modules which help students learn and prepare for the further planned placement processes. And I'm proud to announce that the amalgamation of these activities has resulted in the batch of 2022-2024 resulted the highest number of PPOs in SIDTM's history with an increase of 24.13% compared to last year. I'm also pleased to announce that the highest package for this year is 29.04 LPA. Our average for top 25 stands at 18 plus LPA, and for that of top 50 is close to 16 LPA. And the batch average is 13.08 LPA. I'm certain that with the path the institute is growing on year, and with the kind of industry collaboration it's making, we will only reach new heights every calendar year. Thank you, and I wish you all the very best.